Have you ever been stuck at a checkout counter, fumbling with your phone because your UPI payment just failed? It's frustrating, right? We've all been there. It highlights a critical weakness in our digital payment system, its complete dependence on a stable internet connection and functioning bank servers. But what if there was a smarter, more reliable backup? What if you had a digital payment method that worked even when everything else failed? Well, that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. This isn't just an alternative to UPI, it's a new category of money altogether. First, let's get one thing straight. The E-Rupee is not a UPI app, a mobile wallet like Paytm or a crypto. The money itself stays within the banking system. The E-Rupee, however, is the money itself. So, why does this matter? The biggest game changer is its ability to function offline. And transfer money directly, just like you would with a contactless card, but without needing any internet connection at all. It's a payment system that doesn't crash when the internet does. The merchant sees it, your bank logs it, and the payment app records it. So, is the E-Rupee here to replace UPI? Not at all. It's designed to complement it. Bank servers can go down for maintenance, or networks can get congested during peak hours or festivals. This hybrid model combines the best of both worlds, the efficiency of digital banking and the reliability and privacy of cash. This isn't just a fantasy, it's the future of money that India is actively building right now. If you're really excited about this and want a detailed guide on how to get started with the E-Rupee, including which banks are offering it and how to use the app, let me know in the comments by typing E-Rupee guide. Your interest helps us create more content that matters to you. Thanks for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family so they can also understand this new technology, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the future of finance. See you in the next one.